This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 7th of April. Oh, look at this here. A little tiny pigeon. Look at him. Look at the little pigeons coming here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the pigeons greeting me. Look at that. Special, right? Pigeons and doves were very represented in the Bible. So it's fitting on Good Friday that the pigeons are here. So yeah, this is like a Sunday. So far I don't see too many people. I'm going to put my nuts down here. What else do I have? And my walnuts. And then I'll throw the other thing out on the field. Put this down here. Mostly crows right now. Get these out so our crows can eat right away. Pigeons are on the field. Wow, Monday is my last day, so I will not be throwing any more food out here in the feeding station because of not getting the birds congregating together as long as these gulls keep coming. Because the gulls are the ones that are susceptible to the bird flu, and would not be good to spread it to any of the other birds. Oh, look at this little guy. Oh my goodness. We have to keep our eye out. Gotta keep our eye out for the little bird who has the broken leg. Okay? To keep our eye out for him. It won't be easy. So I had to keep him going until that heals up. Hopefully it will. Oh, there's Charlie. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That was Charlie who just came. And you see, he's not going to the schoolyard. He's heading way off to the left. And he didn't even wait to get the food. He just saw me throw it out and he just took it very, very quickly. How do you like that? You see that Charlie just showed up. But he didn't come to me.
No.
I just threw the food out. He took it and he left.
Which direction?
Toward the left of the schoolyard.
Left of the
By the church. But left to the church.
Okay.
Way off in that direction. But not anywhere
Near the school.
near the school. Okay. It tells you, right? Okay. Let's put the food on the field. Then I'll come back and put some more nuts out for our little birdies. We got a silver gull there. Or is that a mule gull? Let's see. I think what I'll do is take Charlie's bag with me. Take Charlie's bag with me. By the way, everyone, happy Good Friday. Happy Good Friday. Yeah, the birds will have to adjust to the new scenario, including the pigeons, including the gulls. But we'll have to do it. We'll have to do it because the people here can't work with them. Now they're using the bird flu as an excuse, and they could get very, very ugly, and I can't have that. They have no qualms poisoning the birds, right? They poison them, and yet they don't want you to feed them because of bird flu. because they're concerned that they may be killed. Really? Oh, that's such lies. Okay, they couldn't care less about the bird flu. They just want to lock me down. That's all. Or lock anyone else down feeding birds. Here's our Charlie. Charlie! Hi, Charlie. Hi, baby doll. Hi, baby. Here's your egg. There's egg. Good boy. Here. There you go. Sausage. There he goes. He actually appeared already once. You see where he's going? He's going way, way to the left of the schoolyard, past the church. So, okay. Let's see over down here. There we go. Looks like they want it could be those are all males and the other one is a female. I'd have to go look up on the internet and see. But we're just going to enjoy the birds today because Saturday will be very messy. And here comes Charlie again. Here, Charlie. Charlie's really hungry. Here, honey. There you go. Why is Charlie hungry? Because he hasn't eaten in 10 days, our little guy. He's stockpiling and stockpiling. It could be that he followed female having a nest, but you had to see when he came yesterday how nervous he was. He was so nervous he poo-pooed on the hood of the car when he first came. It was just, it wasn't my old Charlie, it's a new Charlie. A new Charlie that is very, very leery of people, and something happened. He was shaking yesterday. And I think that tells me, I mean, it could always be that he's guarding a nest, but I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, I've known Charlie for 9 years, and he's never taken off. But, you know, there are a few females around, you just don't know. But his demeanor, he was so shaken up. He wanted to tell me what happened, and I can only guess about that. If I put together, of thinking that if you poison birds, if Meister poisoned the birds, people might find dead birds around. And it wouldn't keep new birds from coming because they wouldn't know what would have happened there. The only way you can keep the birds permanently away is by shooting a bird. And when the other crows see the dead bird and him shooting the bird, they will never, ever come back. Ever. So that's basically what I think would happen. Because at near the middle to beginning of that week where Charlie disappeared, there was a single gunshot that came from that area about 4:30 in the morning. So, and that's when they come between 4 and 5. That's when they start congregating here and getting ready. They roost and then they get ready to to look for food, and then they forage for food. So that is what I think what happened. But I can't be 100% sure. I mean, it could be Charlie has a nest somewhere, but I don't know. I really don't know. You see, he just gets his food and runs. He doesn't stay. And you see how often he's coming because he's very hungry. It's as if he hasn't eaten really in 10 days. He's just been hiding out. And so that's what I think. So I can't prove it. I can't prove. The only thing that boots for the gunshot that did happen is that the other birds at the schoolyard are also gone. They're all gone. And that's what tells me they didn't find a female. They're all gone. Not just Charlie, but all the rest of them were there. And there were at least 10 to 15 birds that hung out there. And those are the birds that the parents were complaining about. And they're all gone. And at first I thought they were all poisoned. But then when Charlie came back, I can't agree with that. It has to be the gunshot that I heard that drove the birds away into hiding. And really, Charlie is never seen a gun. Okay, he reacts to when there's gunshots, but he's never seen a bird killed with a gun, and I think that really traumatized him. Okay, so